So good morning everyone. We will continue our next bit. So in exercise 4. So what is the next bit? 4a square plus 5b square plus 6ab, and next term is 6a square minus 2b square, and last expression is 4b square minus 5ab. So in yesterday, in first bit we are having only two expressions, but in the second bit you are having total three expressions. We have to add these three expressions in vertical as well as in horizontal method. So how to add we will see. So first I am doing the vertical method. So what is the first expression? This one, that is 4a square plus 5b square plus 6ab. Second expression is this one. So a square term is 6. So this is 6a square, and 2b square minus 2b square. Where is b square term here? So minus 2b square. So in this expression ab term is not there, so we will keep it as 0. Okay, if you are not seeing any expression, just substitute in that place as 0. So remaining here b square term is 4. That is 4 plus 4 b square, and here ab term is there, so minus 5 ab. So in last expression they didn't mention about a square term, so just replace with 0. Okay, now first write all the alphabets as it is. A square here b square, here ab. Now we can add and subtract the numbers. So what is the first here? 6 plus 4, that is plus 4 plus 6. 6 plus 4 will be 10. So you got as 10a square. Next this one. So what are the coefficients for this? Plus 5, for this minus 2, for this plus 4. Okay. Now 5 minus 2 plus 5 minus 2 will be 3. This plus 4 I am writing as it is. 3 plus 4 will be equals to 7. So you got it as so plus 5 minus 2, plus 5 minus 2 will be 3, and plus 4, that will be 3. 3 plus 4 will be equals to 7. So the result is plus 7 here. So plus 7 square. Okay. Next is 6ab minus 5ab. 6 plus 6ab and minus 5ab. So plus 6 minus 5. Plus 6 minus 5 is how much? That will be plus 1. So the result is 1ab. So you got it as 10a square plus 7b square plus 1ab. So now we will solve in vertical method, horizontal method now. So next horizontal method. So whether you will get the same answer or not, we have to check. So all the expressions, between all the expressions you have to replace as plus. So 4a square plus 5b square plus 6ab plus, next expression is 6a square minus 2b square. Third expression is 4b square minus 5ab. So these are the three expressions. We are adding the three expressions. So before bracket plus sign is there, so write as it is 4a square plus 5b square plus 6ab. And before bracket you are seeing the plus sign, so write as it is plus 6a square minus 2b square. Before bracket plus sign is there, so write as it is plus 4b square minus 5ab. Now see the like terms. So what are like terms here? A square. So two like terms are there. So first you write a square term as it is. 4 plus 6 will be plus 10. So you got as 10a square. Next term. Now b square terms you see. Where are b square terms? B square terms 1, 2, 3. So 3 b square terms are there. So write b square as it is. Now plus 5 minus 2. minus 2 will be 3. 5 minus 2 will be 3. 3 plus 4, that will be equals to 7. So you will get it as plus 7b square. Next a square, ab terms you see. Where are ab terms? AB term. Only two AB terms are there. So you write AB as it is here. Plus 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 will be equals to 1. So that will be plus 1. So in both the cases you got the result as same. So this is our second bit. Okay. So next one. So what is the next one? Third question. What is third one? 2x plus 9y minus 7z. Next is 3y plus z plus 3x. Next is 2x minus 4y minus z. Again we have to add these three expressions. They have given three expressions. We have to add these three expressions. Okay. So now first we will do the vertical method. So what is vertical method? First expression 2x plus 9y minus 7z. Next is second expression. First y term is there, that is plus 3y. So here plus 3y. Next z term is there, so plus z plus 3x. If down of x we have to write the x terms only. Next 2x plus 2x. Next minus 4y minus z. Okay, so we have to add these three expressions. So first you write the alphabets as it is: y, z, y, x, y, z. Okay, now first x terms. 2 plus 3 plus 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. So you got it as 7x here. Next y terms. Plus 9 plus 3 minus 4. Okay, so plus 9 plus 3 minus 4. So 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3 will be 12 minus 4. 12 minus 4 will be 8. So here plus 8 you will get. Next in this case. So minus 7 plus 1. Here also minus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled. Here what is the remaining? That is minus 7z. So this is our result. Okay, so now we will see the horizontal method. Between all the three expressions we have to substitute with plus. So 2x plus 9y minus 7z plus 3y plus z plus 3x. Next, between here in place of this we have to keep replace as plus 2x minus 4y minus z. So this is our three expressions. We are adding these three expressions. Okay, so before bracket plus sign is there, write as it is. Before bracket plus sign is there, write as it is. Before bracket plus sign is there, write as it is. Now, like terms we have to see. First x terms. Where are x terms? X, x, x. So write x term. Now, see the coefficients. 2 plus 3 plus 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. So, you got the 7x here. Next, which terms? Y terms you take. So, y, y, y. So, I am writing y here. So, what are the coefficients? Plus 9, plus 3, minus 4. So, 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 minus 4 will be 8. So, you got as plus 8 here. Okay. Now, last xy terms. Z terms. Where are z terms now? Z, Z, Z. So z I am writing as it is minus 7 here plus 1 here minus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled. Answer is minus 7. So I am writing minus 7 here. So both the answers are same. So if you do in horizontal or vertical method, always the result will be same. Okay. So next one. Fourth bit now. So fourth one is 2x square minus 6x plus 3, and next one is minus 3x square minus x minus 4. Last term is 1 plus 2x minus 3x square. Okay, so these are the three expressions. First, vertical method. So what is the first expression? 2x square minus 6x plus 3, and here also minus 3x square minus x plus 4. In this case, here plus 1, here plus 2x plus 2x and minus 3x square. So we have to add this. So write the alphabets as it is here, x square and x. These are the constant values. Okay, so here 2 minus 3 minus 3. Okay, 2 minus 3 will be minus 1. Here minus 3 I am writing as it is. So minus 1 minus 3 will be minus 4. So here it will be minus 4. Okay, next these terms, x terms, minus 6 minus 1 plus 2. So minus 6 minus 1 will be minus 7 plus 2 I am writing as it is. So minus 7 plus 2, minus into minus is minus into plus will be minus. 5 minus 2 is 5. Bigger number sign is minus. So you got it as minus 5 here. Now this case, plus 3 plus 4 plus 1. So 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 1 will be 8. So what you got the result as? You got as minus 4x square minus 5x plus 8. Now we will see the horizontal method. So write all the expressions. 2x square minus 6x plus 3 plus minus 3x square minus x minus 4 plus 1 plus 2x minus 3x square. Okay, so before bracket what signs are there? You see plus sign. So write as it is. Plus sign, write as it is. Plus sign, write as it is. Okay, now see the like terms now. Okay, so first x square terms, x square, x square, x square. I am writing x square. What are the coefficients? 2 minus 3 minus 3. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Minus 3 I am writing as it is. So minus 1 minus 3 will be minus 4. So you got minus 4 here. Okay, next is x terms. Where are x terms now? X, x, x. Now write the alphabets as it is. Now what is the answer? Minus 6. Here minus 1. Here plus 2. So minus 6 minus 1. Minus into minus is plus. 6 plus 1 is 7. Bigger number sign is minus. So minus 7 plus 2. Minus 7 plus 2 will be minus 5. So you will get here minus 5. And next is constant values. Constant values, plus 3 minus 4 plus 1. So 3 plus 1 will be 4. Sorry, here minus 4. So this is minus 4. So here it will be, the answer will be changed. Here it will be 0. 3 plus 1 4, 4 minus 4 will be 0. In this case also 3 plus 1 4, 4 minus 4 will be 0. So this is our result. So next one. So next bit we are doing now. Second bit. Simplify 2x square plus 5x minus 1 plus 8x square plus x square plus 7 minus 6x plus 3 minus 3 x square. Okay, so we have to simplify this. Just add the values. First see the like terms. Given 2x square plus 5x minus 1 plus 8x plus x square plus 7 minus 6x plus 3 minus 3x square. Okay, what are the like terms? First see the x square terms. X square, x square, x square. So write x square as it is. 2, what are the coefficients here? 2, here 1, here minus 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 minus 3 will be 0. So you got it as minus 0x square. Now x terms you see. What are x terms? X, x, x. So write x as it is. Now coefficients. Plus 5, plus 8, minus 6. So 5 plus 8 is how much? 13. 13 minus 6. So 13 minus 6 will be equals to 7. So here plus 7 x square. Now coming to constant values. What are constant values? Minus 1 plus 7 plus 3. So minus 1 plus 7 will be plus 6 and here plus 3 as it is. So 6 plus 3 will be 9. So you got as plus 9. So what is the result here? Result is 0x square plus 7x plus 9. So here directly they have added all the three expressions. We didn't keep any plus symbol. Before problems we have kept plus symbol. Here no need of keeping because they only gave in the form of plus. Okay. So first write see all the like terms. 2x square plus x square minus 3x square will be 0x square. Now x terms. 5x plus 8x minus 6x will be plus 7x. And now constant numbers minus 1 plus 7 plus 3 will be plus 9. Okay. So this is our result of second bit. Remaining bits we will continue tomorrow. Thank you.